Okay, are we gonna walk together?
Yeah, we're all ready.
Okay.
Technique
We
again.
do 2 lines, and that way they can do
Two lines! Genius!
You'll do 2 straight across, yeah. Yeah, so then this row will go first, and then that row can go. So then like, okay, ready? So where's your pose? Your pose. Okay, let's start with your left foot. Walk. Pose. The other hip. Pivot. Step back. And walk. And then sometimes if there's a place to pose at the end when you come back, you can do a little turnaround and like an additional pose. That's if you guys want to, you don't have to. Should we have the second group go?
Yeah.
Second row in front. Oh, okay. Second row. Oh, fashion show.
Okay, you guys ready?
Okay, we're ready.
Ready? Okay. So do your pose. Left foot first. Walk. And then when there's music playing, you can just watch the music.
Sassy pose.
Sit. There you go. Step back. Walk. 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 If you want to do another one, you can do a little turn back. Pose around. And that's that.
Okay. Line up behind me. I'm number 1. You number 2. I'm number 3. Who is number 3?
I'm number 3.
Who is number 4? Say 4. 5, 6, 7. How many here? Get in line. Get in line. Okay, guys, we need more people here.
But we got pairs.